Hey guys, how are you? I'm Farshad from Stockmal channel. I'm here with another video. In this video I want to upgrade the RAM and heart of the laptop Dell Latitude 3410. Please just stay with me until the end of this video. Okay, the RAM of the laptop is 16 GB and I want to upgrade it to 24 GB, and the SSD of the laptop is 256 and I want to upgrade it to 512. Okay, we have one 8 GB RAM here and 512 SSD M2 here. Okay, you can see the laptop, this laptop Dell Latitude 3410. We need to open the door, back door of the laptop. Okay, at the top of the door we have to pull it to top. Okay, from the right, and done. Okay, now we have the motherboard of this laptop Dell Latitude 3410. It has two slots of RAM, two RAM slot DDR4 RAM, and one SSD M2 here slot. Okay, we have to open the screw of SSD and remove the SSD and replace with 512 SSD and close the screw. Push the SSD to down and close the screw. Okay, SSD upgrade finish. Now RAM upgrade. We have to push down and finish. If you want to remove the RAM, just push this to right and left and the RAM comes up. If you want to push it again to the laptop, push, and the RAM upgrade finished too. Okay, it's the battery of the laptop and the fan of the laptop. I think it's M2 or another SSD place. This is the Dell Latitude 3410 motherboard, and I will check for you the hardware in the Windows. For now I have to close the door, and after that I will turn on the laptop and checking. Okay, I close all the screws, check around. Yes, it's all okay. And now I want to turn on the window. The power button of this laptop is here, and it comes up, the window comes up, and I go to, if you good to see, I will a little rotate the camera for you guys to see my computer. Click properties, and it's 24 GB RAM. Our RAM is upgrade to 24 GB, and SSD is 512 that you can use about 480. And I want to check the hardware of this laptop with HW Info software. This laptop is Dell Latitude 3410, and the CPU of the laptop is i7 510U 10 generation, 24 GB RAM after upgrade, DDR4, and the graphic of the laptop is onboard graphic with 1 GB memory, Intel UHD graphic, and our SSD is NVMe 4X 512 Samsung. I upgraded from 256 GB. This monitor is 1920 to 1080 full HD resolution, and the battery capacity is 010 milliwatt hours, 53,000 capacity of the battery of the laptop, and it's a good laptop for someone want light and not heavy laptop, and it's 14-inch. It's good laptop. I offer you to buy this laptop for your work, but not good for gaming or graphic work, just for simple work. I mean, it's very good. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy my video. Please subscribe our channel and like my videos and comment on my videos. Thank you so much. Goodbye to my next video.